Mines are not unlimited source of nickel, cobalt, and manganese. So it has resulted in the shortage of these precious metals needed for battery manufacturing. On the other hand, US households throw away 11 million tons of dead batteries annually that contains these precious metals, otherwise could have been recovered for new battery manufacturing. This is because the current technologies used for recovering these precious metals produce harmful byproducts that are not sustainable in the long run. So Greedy Green can solve this problem using a membrane technology to recover metals from dead batteries without any production of harmful byproducts or negative environmental impacts. The technology is simple. First, the dead battery is broken in half. Then, the black powder is dissolved in acid to convert the solid into liquid phase. This metal-rich liquid is then passed through a novel membrane system where we recover the precious metals such as nickel, cobalt, and manganese. These recovered metals are then sold to battery manufacturers as raw materials, thereby improving the supply chain shortage of metals. What we have learned is that there is a growing market for metal extraction. Currently, the US market is valued at $11 billion with an annual growth rate of 8.3%. Our customer base comprises of battery component manufacturers like Exide, General Electric, and Intel. We also have competitors in the metal extraction space. However, their technology is expensive and produce harmful byproducts during the process of manufacturing. This gives Greedy Green a competitive advantage. The key features of this novel membrane system is it is simple, single unit, and eco-friendly with no harmful byproducts. It is also scalable at the same time. Currently, we envision Greedy Green as a B2B pre-product startup where we plan to source dead batteries from battery waste collection facilities in Houston area and use our membrane technology to recover these precious metals and then sell this to battery manufacturing companies. However, we are still working on developing the technology in the lab and are trying to ensure the technology can scale so that we can reduce the current metal recovery cost of $5,000 for 1 ton of dead batteries to $100. Once the technology is finalized, we plan to file a patent and then acquire the appropriate licensing from the University of Houston Tech Transfer Office, with plans to partner with national labs for large-scale testing that will help us in partnering with recycling centers and sourcing batteries for commercialization. We are a team of researchers with experience in metal recycling and chemistry, with me, Siddharth Paul, as founder and CEO of Greedy Green, and Jaladhara as CTO. We also have an advisor on board, Dr. Devin Schaefer from University of Houston, with experience in membrane technology. As we continue to work on fine-tuning the technology in the lab, we are looking for mentors for business side, having experience in bringing clean tech startups to market. Feel free to connect with us through our QR code or LinkedIn page, where greener tomorrow is possible today.